Those conversations are what have kept me honest, and kept me inspired, and kept me going. And every day I have learned from you. You made me a better president, and you made me a better man. We must guard against a weakening of the values that make us who we are. That's why I reject discrimination against Muslim Americans who are just as patriotic as we are. That's why we cannot withdraw. That's why we cannot withdraw from this oversight. No matter how imperfect our efforts, the change only happens when ordinary people get involved, when they get engaged, and they come together to demand it. After 8 years as your president, I still believe that. And it's not just my belief. It's the beating heart of our American ideas. It's the conviction that we are all created equal. It has been the honor of my life to serve you. I won't stop. In fact, I will be right there with you as a citizen for all my remaining days. But for now, whether you are young or whether you're young at heart, I do have one final ask of you as your president. The same thing I asked when you took a chance on me 8 years ago. I'm asking you to believe, not in my ability to bring about change, but in you. Yes, we did. Yes, we did.